In this video we will use some other objects as the nucleation sites. First, we will use a cut of cable ties made of nylon. Let's put it into the bowl and start the heating for 90 seconds. A moment later. Some small bubbles can be seen, but not just around the nylon cut. Some bubbles come out from the bottom of the glass bowl when it's knocked using a butter knife. After 40 seconds of reheating, some small bubbles are found, but then disappear. At some location, the metal tool generates large bubbles. The nylon cut doesn't seem to do much as a nucleation site. Now we will use a cut of copper wire as the nucleation site. Let's put it into the bowl and start the heating for 90 seconds. After 90 seconds of reheating, bubbles are found around the copper wire cut. Let's reheat it for 30 seconds. We can see the water start boiling. The bubbles come out around the wire cut, and the water doesn't seem to be superheated anymore. The copper wire seems to be a better nucleation site than nylon.